All right, good Tuesday from a wonderfully sunny and warm southwest Missouri, especially after what we went through in the last week or so. Wow. I don't care to go through that anytime soon again. It brought back a lot of childhood memories because that's the way it used to be when I was growing up. But anyway, we're out right now. Got the track loader boom up, and I got a 6x6 placed underneath there. For whatever reason, they don't put, you think it'd be relatively easy. They could put, like on the backhoes, they could put a safety that comes down on this, you know, drill through there where it'd flop down as a safety, but I'm sure Cat determined that there was a reason why they didn't do that. So anyway, I've picked up the 6x6 specifically for that. Is that a perfect situation? No, it's not. Would it potentially give me a minute to get it out from underneath of it? Hopefully. But anyway, today's project here for a little bit is the last job I was on, where I posted a video where I was taking down the trees, the big trees, and piling them. Yeah, knothead me had one of them big stumps roll up, came right in and pushed that back. Pushed this in a little bit too. I've had these off enough over the years to know. The biggest problem is the welded on nuts that are on the bottom side of these bolts have a tendency, the nuts have a tendency to break loose. They're just very barely tacked on. They have a tendency to break loose inside, and then that makes for a ginormous pain in the butt. But anyway, the goal is to kind of try to get this. I really screwed that door up. I've never bent that door. I've bent these in and bent the bottom in, but I've never bent that door like that. So I'm gonna try to get it as good as I can. May have to end up by going to the shop with a torch to get it any better, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can. So I got to pull all these bolts here off. I got to pull this off as well, and I'm gonna look at my I think I need a new sending unit, fuel level sending unit inside the tank, because it's intermittent, it drops up and down. But I'm gonna look at the connection on it, clean the connection up on it, but I'm probably gonna have to end up by getting a new one. Also, there's some bolts underneath here that have to be taken out as well. So it's probably a good time to be cleaning anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna fire the old Milwaukee up and see what I can come up with. Just got to be careful on hitting those real hard. I don't want to break those welds like I was talking about. That one didn't feel just the greatest. I'll have to get a, probably have to get a ratchet on that one because I can't get to it. Well, I like it. Okay, what I set a reminder for. Yep, already got that done. Hopefully, fingers crossed, these will come out okay, I hope. Last time I took these off, I don't think I had any anti-season. I always like the anti-season. Come on, baby, don't you dare. This thing's been tweaked so many times that it's sprung enough it doesn't want to line back up sometimes. Definitely got to put the anti-seize back on them. They're rusting up. Uh-oh, ain't liking that one. Normally that's what happens when they start. They start acting squirrely. Oh, one more. God, I bit that thing bad. Well, there went some hide. Ouch. Woo! Dang. Pill deal knuckle. I wasn't thinking. I should have left one on the top, dummy. Wow. Nice, nice. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Dang. Looks like I'm way low on hydraulic fluid too. I don't know if I've got a leak. Granted, the boom's up, but I still should have some in there. This thing's always had a slow leak. It's back in behind this tank. I'll normally have to, man, that's gonna be sore. I'll normally have to add some to it. So there's probably an O-ring back in there that's, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I should have kept that damn thing bolted at the top. Well, that part's not bent as bad as I've seen it bent before. It's just this door. Man, I bent the crap out of that door, and I'll probably have fun trying to get it straightened back. Ouchie, got me good. Got me good. Hopefully it didn't break that finger. See, you just got to use your head. Don't be a dummy like that. Well, I don't think it's broke. I don't think it's broke. There's a crap ton of bolts down here, aren't there? Yeah. Those are 3/4. If I knew that I could, but there's no way that I'm going to be able to get that door. I may have to rethink this just a minute. I may be able to, instead of taking that whole crazy thing, I may be able to get a chain here, pull this back, take that door off and straighten it versus having to take all that crap off. Yes, sir. I think that's what I'm going to try. Yep, me being a dummy. Wasn't thinking. Got me hurt. I believe that bolt's bent a little. Probably needed to go ahead and pull that off anyway to get all this crap out of here, but all right, let's see how this goes here. So I'm not relying on that hook. I didn't think it was gonna take that much. Man, there's a lot of tension on that sucker. A lot of tension. Dang, still sniffling. Hell of a deal. Yeah, that's better than what it was. That's not too bad. This one here is really not bent. I'd say the biggest thing I'm going to have, biggest issue is going to be getting this thing. Because you can see where it pulled right there. I may be able to take that, because I don't think. I might be able to take a hammer and smack that. Maybe. I'm telling you, it is a mud hole around here. Jeez. Look at that. Probably bend my hand all up now. Man, that old door's tweaked. That whole door's tweaked. I've done a hell of a job on her, didn't I? Don't think so. Yeah, bent her a little bit. A little. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna hit that bolt, screw everything up. That's probably straight as I'm gonna get it. More than likely. Well, that ain't gonna be too bad, really. Like I said, I'm probably screwing up by not going ahead and pulling this off to bend this out more. But I don't know. I need to get right here and pull it. That's what I figured was going to happen. Now that dude's going to be real susceptible to I hate to run this thing out to the farm. I may have to because that really needs to be there. It do. It probably would have been quicker to pull that nose off and use a bucket like I normally do and push down on it, but let's see what happens. It's not going to be perfect because it's just a matter of time before the stuff rolls back into me and bends it again. Well, it's not perfect. Try to get up here and pull this connection loose. This is right here is where the fuel sending unit ties into the wiring at. I need to get some air so I can spray down in there and blow all that out of there. Well, hopefully that don't jack you up too bad. Bad thing is I'm gonna have to end up by replacing that at some point, but this crossover tube right down on there, that's gonna be a mother to get. I mean a mother. How the crap are you gonna get in there with a wrench? Holy crap. There's no way to get that. There's no way to get that cinder out of there because it's sitting down on top of that. You gotta have to pull the tank forward and slide it forward. Otherwise, you're gonna have to take this off. And there's no, you might be able to take it off here. No, I don't think you can take it off here and rotate it up. You're still gonna have to get in there and loosen that fitting. Wow. Well, she may just have to stay like she is. Can't remember if there's a clip on those or not. I was thinking that just unplugged. I thought I've had it apart before, but I may not have. There she is. Yeah, the connection looks good. Unlikely is this going to be that stupid sending unit, I imagine. The gauge will turn it around here. The gauge will fluctuate. I mean, it'll go down, kicks the low fuel light on, and then, I mean, it may come back up, and it's just really erratic. So well, the old brake clean does good on the old skinned up knuckles. Woo! Let me tell you. Voila! I found it. Had brain fart. Oh, holy crap. A little bit too much. Now hopefully it'll go back together. It's like a glove. Well, and with these, the chicken, see the level is right here. It's in the red. You're supposed to check these with the bucket on the ground and shut off. And shut off for a little bit to allow the pumps and everything to drain back. I think I'm gonna grab me, there's those two bolts are loose. And before they work so bad that it snaps those bolts off, I'm going to get an extension and run in there and see if I can tighten them up. Hopefully I don't snap them off. All right, guys, got those tightened up. They were definitely loose back there. They tightened up. Hopefully that doesn't tweak anything. Put something in a bind, means they've been loose for so long. I'm gonna wait till I get the arms, loader arms down on the ground before I add any oil. I mean, not too bad. Still got a little bow in it, but it's much better than what it was. And I'm going to get ready to get the cover and everything put back on. So I've cleaned out pretty much what I can get to. Kind of got all the mud stuff out there. I just need to hose this whole thing down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this over there, grab the garden hose. Hopefully it's not froze up. It might be. Hopefully not froze up. When I get in here, I'm going to spray this out, open the side compartment to spray it out while I'm here. All right, guys, I sprayed off the front there, up here. Kind of got that sprayed off. As good as it's going to get. Always try to see how this dust and stuff will settle in here real bad, right in through here. Always try to, like right in through there, always try to keep that blown off as much as I can, or sprayed off as much as I can with water. It just keeps that dirt and crap from settling. I dropped the rear belly pan, oh, not too long ago. The front one needs to be dropped because I haven't dropped it. So I'll have to keep an eye on it. I try to drop them once or twice a year. These machines here, it's not really too big a deal to do. Like I said, I try to keep this crap off of here, and it just helps with heat. Because these pumps, where that pump is I'm spraying now, man, they just generate so much heat. And so, the more dirt and crap that's on, the less heat they can disperse. So, yeah, all this goes down in the belly pan, but like I said, the belly pans are relatively easy, especially with that Milwaukee impact. All it takes is a floor jack. I try not to spray on those solenoids very much. Just kind of hit them real quick. Most of the time I've got a power washer that I'll use, but I haven't, like I said, we're still in the winter, so I don't want to use it. Take a chance on breaking the pump. So I just try to keep everything, whoo, sorry about that. Try to keep everything just kind of hosed off to keep it clean. I got to take care of this. Good grief, I'm gonna do it again. I got to take care of this old girl. Hopefully she'll last me. This is kind of my go-to machine. There's one machine I'll take to a job, it'll be this one. They're just really versatile. See, this crap will get up in here too, and it gets all well, I'm going to put you back up here for just a minute. I don't want to get any wetter than I already have. All right, guys, we're kind of back here. I had to take the dump truck in. I have a state inspection done on it, so I got that done and I'm back here. As I kind of showed earlier, I just hosed all this off. You know, and hosed in here as well. It's a lot cleaner now. That's the way I like to, you know, that's the way I like to see it. A lot nicer. Like I said, I try to do this a couple times a year. So now I'm going to try to get this cover put back on here. I got a ball game to go to here in a little bit. So let's see if I can smash the other hand now. Little anti-seize on. Gosh, I hate that. Just about have to pull that back off of there and take and cut them nuts off and weld some new nuts on there. Make sure I didn't hit that. Well, that's all the damage I can do as far as that goes. As long as I can get it up, get the door open. That dude's gonna push in real easy now. Yeah, that dude was a bigger one. Yeah, I think she'll still open and close. Yeah, that ain't too shabby. That ain't too shabby. I added a little less than a gallon. I had the boom and everything down while it was still cold, and so you can see the levels up to here now. It was down to the very, very bottom. So when the boom and everything comes down, it was up just about where that rivet is right there. So we're good to go there. Well, guys, not much on the way of video, but hey, I hope for this week to get the machines back out and get them to going like I'd mentioned. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I have ball games to go to in a little bit, and still have to go do chores. So anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments, pass the word on. So we are nearly at 2,000 subscribers. Man, it has just went crazy. Again, I appreciate you guys and appreciate your kind words, and like I said, moving right along. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments, and we'll see you later.